welcome to camp. Good to see some of you again, and for the newbies, you are in for an explosive week. Okay, split up by elements so there aren't any unfriendly reactions, and head to your houses.
Does everybody have a valence of 1? Everybody got a reagent cloak? Gotta stay visible and contained, right? Everybody have their identical twins? Why can't we be grouped together? We're all made of protons and electrons. Good question, HM1. Can anybody answer? You guys know you have a certain mass, 1.01 AMUs. What about oxygen and sodium? Do they have the same mass? No! Great! All right, next question to answer our first question. What element are you?
Hydrogen!
Is oxygen also the element hydrogen? HM3, what do you think? No, and I know that because my mass, when my identical twin is off on holiday, is 1.01. But when O2's twin is off on holiday, her mass is 16. So we are not the same elements. A great answer. Remind me to give you an electron later on. I'm glad I'm not with sodium. They travel in too tightly, no personal space. And they are so slow. Good point, HM2. All right, everybody now, get settled in. Campfire time is in 45 minutes.
Does everybody have a valence of 6? Everybody got a reagent cloak? Gotta stay visible and contained, right? Everybody have their identical twins? Nobody sneaked a bag of electrons into camp, did they? They can be very dangerous. It was on the checkoff list. No free electrons allowed. I feel so fat after seeing hydrogen. Have I put on mass? All right, somebody explain this again to the house. This comes up every year. I know. All atoms of the same elements have the same mass. Remember, we have more protons and neutrons than hydrogen. Since we are number 8 on the periodic table and we have 8 of each, our mass is 16. Poor old hydrogens are number 1 in the table and they don't even have a neutron. That's what makes the difference. We are not fat. We are powerful.
Power.
That's right. Okay, campfire in 45. Get settled. See you there. Don't be late. And don't sneak any electrons.
Solid. Huh. Valence of 1.
Valence of 1. Hey, why aren't we with hydrogen?
Can somebody explain?
Well, yeah, we are in the same column back home in the periodic table. Yeah, you stupid. Have you looked at yourself in comparison to hydrogen? They are toothpicks next to us. Our mass is 23 AMUs. We have 11 protons and 11 neutrons. Those dudes only have 1 proton. That's why we can't be together. We rip them apart from those ridiculous clones of themselves. They call themselves molecules, but we have the power to make them atoms. They don't even like to see us coming.
You got it, sodium atom 3? Okay, campfire, our favorite thing. We love that heat. Is in 50 minutes.
Don't you mean 45 minutes like it says here on the schedule?
You really are pushing me today, aren't you? In 50. See you there. Be your shiny metal best.